You might think this town grew up beside the railway, but this prairie oasis is a town that grew up around a lake. Today I'm in Wolseley, Saskatchewan, located just 1 hour east of Regina on the number 1 or TransCanada Highway. It's the kind of community that you should really consider stepping off the number 1 highway to visit. Your first stop should be Fairley Lake and the amazing suspension bridge, held above the water with only cables so you feel the impact of every step. The lake is a result of a dam built to hold back Wolf Creek to supply enough water for the steam engines of the railway. The residents are passionate about history and dedicated to restoration. In fact, numerous buildings are still around that existed before the province of Saskatchewan was inaugurated. The Wolseley Town Hall and Opera House was built in 1906. It is a designated provincial and municipal heritage property. The main floor includes a balcony and a stage. Inside, the basement was occupied by the town office, council chambers, a reading room, jail cells, and a library. The rear of the building was home to the fire hall, and the beautiful tower is where they hung the hoses to dry. Just down the road is St. Jude's, which was established in 1906, and nearby homes mimic the Stone Point design either by history or by imitation. Wolseley takes pride in its beautiful heritage homes. For more information about these homes, pick up the walking guide available in town or online. St. Anne's Roman Catholic Church has been a Wolseley landmark since 1900, but the St. Anne's parish dates back to 1884 when settlers arrived from Quebec. This is the first Beaver Lumber store in Canada. It now forms part of the Wolseley and District Museum. Beaver Lumber became home hardware. This is the original Thomas Ellis home, and the south-facing gable bears the year of construction. Restoration and pride continues in the downtown area, with a focus on areas to rest and enjoy. The Pearly Block was built in 1906. It is on the site of Wolseley's first hotel, which was destroyed by fire in 1905. The Pearly Block now contains the Wolseley Public Library. It is Saskatchewan's oldest public library in continuous service.
My name is Gay Moss. I'm here in the Cooperative Gallery, run and organized by about 27 artisans. We have artists who are watercolor artists, oil, pastel. We have knitters, crocheters. We have photographers. We have people using pencil and drawing. We have a lady that does dolls. We're going to be starting art classes in the fall for adults and children here at the gallery.
Pearly and Banbury built the brick 3-story Empire Hotel, which was later purchased and turned into the new Leland Hotel. This is a site of a general merchant store in 1910. This building was another general store and was located directly across the street from the grain elevators and the railway. This grand home was originally owned by Edwin Banbury. La Parisienne Gourmet Restaurant was listed in Where to Eat in Canada for many years. Built before 1895, this building is the only remaining courthouse from the territorial period of Saskatchewan history. The basement, in its heavy stone walls, still contains cells, but nowadays the residents are not so dangerous. The courthouse grounds on the north shore of Fairlie Lake are beautiful, inviting, and playful. Like the rest of town, there is much to see if you only stop to look. If you get a chance, be sure to check out Wolseley. The effect is magical.